Hello everyone. Welcome to General Knowledge class. This video for class 3, lesson 15, Indian monuments. Introduction. A monument is a type of structure that was explicitly created to commemorate a person or event, which has become relevant to a social group as part of their remembrance of historic times. It is a cultural heritage due to its artistic, historical, political, technical, or architectural importance. Now I will tell you a few examples which is familiar for everyone. Golden Temple in Punjab, Red Fort in New Delhi, Qutb Minar in New Delhi. Dear children, look at this slide. Here are some monuments. Identify this monument with the help of help box. In the help box are given Ajanta Caves, Sanchi Stupa, Sun Temple, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Gateway of India, Dilwara Temple, Buland Darwaza, Charminar. Let's see the first monument. It is in Rajasthan. Now we have to find out the name of this monument. Children, can you identify the name of this monument? Yes, it is a Dilwara Temple. Spelling of Dilwara Temple: D-I-L-W-A-R-A, Dilwara, T-E-M-P-L-E, Temple, Dilwara Temple. Do you know, children, where is Dilwara Temple located? Yes, Dilwara Temple located in the state of Rajasthan in India. It is a pilgrimage place of Jains and also a popular general tourist attraction. This monument is in Mumbai. The name of this monument is Gateway of India. Spelling: G-A-T-E-W-A-Y, Gateway of India, I-N-D-I-A, India, Gateway of India. Children, can you say where is Gateway of India? It is in Mumbai. As the name signifies, this monument serves as an entrance point to India for the British viceroys. Here you can see a beautiful monument. It is in Maharashtra. The name of this monument is Ajanta Caves. Spelling A J A N T A. Ajanta Caves. C A V E S. Caves. Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Cave is located in Maharashtra. Children, let's see why are the Ajanta Caves important. A set of 29 caves, Ajanta is among the finest example of some of the earliest Buddhist architecture, cave paintings and sculptures. This cave dedicated to Lord Buddha and monasteries. It is used by Buddhist monks for meditation and the study of Buddhist teaching. Dear children, look at this monument. It is in Uttar Pradesh. The name of this monument is Buland Darwaza. Spelling B U L A N D. Buland Darwaza. D A R W A Z A. Darwaza. Buland Darwaza is located in Uttar Pradesh. Do you know, children, who built Buland Darwaza? Yes, it was built by Mughal Emperor Akbar. Buland Darwaza is the highest gateway in the world. It is an example of Mughal architecture. Fifth monument is in Odisha. Children, what is the name of this monument? The name of this monument is Sun Temple. Spelling S-U-N, Sun, T-E-M-P-L-E, Temple, Sun Temple. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to Sun God. Sun Temple built by King Narasimha. This is the most famous building in India. The name of this monument is Charminar. I repeat, the name of this monument is Charminar. Spelling C-H-A-R-M-I-N-A-R, Charminar. C-H-A-R-M-I-N-A-R, Charminar. Charminar was built by Muhammad Qali Qutb Shahi. This monument is in Madhya Pradesh. The name of this monument is Sanchi Stupa. Spelling S-A-N-C-H-I Sanchi Stupa. STUPA Stupa. Sanchi Stupa. Sanchi Stupa located in Madhya Pradesh. This monument is one of the oldest stone structure in India and also important monument of Indian architecture. It was originally built in the 3rd century BC by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka. Let's see the last monument. It is in New Delhi. The name of this monument is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Spelling RASHTRAPATI Rashtrapati Bhavan BHAVAN Bhavan. I repeat RASHTRAPATI Rashtrapati Bhavan BHAVAN Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is located in New Delhi. Children, as you know, Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. It was designed by Edwin Lutyens. Let's revise. Children, where is Dilwara temple is situated? Answer is Dilwara temple is situated in Rajasthan. Dilwara temple is situated in Rajasthan. Second, where is Gateway of India? Where is Gateway of India? Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Third, children, can you say in which state Ajanta cave is situated? In which state Ajanta cave is situated? Ajanta cave situated in Maharashtra. Ajanta cave situated in Maharashtra. Children, in which state is Buland Darwaza? Buland Darwaza is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Buland Darwaza is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Where is Sun Temple situated? Sun Temple situated in Odisha. Sun Temple situated in Odisha. Do you know, children, where is Charminar? Charminar is in Hyderabad. Charminar is in Hyderabad. 7. Children, Please tell me where is Sanchi Stupa? Sanchi Stupa is in Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi Stupa is in Madhya Pradesh. This monument is familiar for everyone. Where is Rashtrapati Bhavan situated? Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated in New Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated in New Delhi. In this slide, you have for your home assignment. Do all this exercise in your book and learn it. Thank you.